Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything.
How to completely private your Facebook account. I will show to you everything step by steps. Okay, so first of all you have to go to your profile. When go to your profile, click this three dot button. Okay, now just come back and go to the privacy. Okay, when you go to the privacy, select the setting button. When you click on the setting button, there is a personal and account information, there is notification, language, profile information, how people can find you. You have to click this. When you click this, now these all the things are coming to you. This is the very thing, everything that give your, that tell to you about the what's about all the things which are going on. So first of all, if you want to private completely, then this is how can send you friend request. So you can this is to anyone or friend of friend. Okay, so click on the friend of friends, and the second thing you have to who can see your friend list. Okay, this is friends see more. When you see only me, so only me will so click here only me. Okay, and come back, just come back. Now there is a how can look you up using the email address you provided. Okay, you can it only me, just come back. And how can use the using the phone number, you have to click on the only me. Now no one can find you from the phone number. Do you want search engine outside Facebook to link your profile? If anyone search your name in the Google or other thing, your name will be provided to Google. But if you off this, no one will see. Disable public search. This mean if anyone search on the Facebook or Google, they will not find you. So disable it. So they will not find you. Now come back, and this is only me, and your account is completely privated. Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and clicking the link in the description for more information.